I have here the Sirona S from Cybex. This is a new car seat from Cybex. They have a different type of Sirona. Don't worry about that. This is the new Sirona. You've been asking for a while because in Europe, they have those swiveling car seats that does not exist in America. This is the first backwards and forwards. I'm going to show you in a second car seat. I'm super excited about it. And there's a load leg. There's so much to be excited about this car seat. Let me demonstrate it for you. So this is in the forward facing position, but you can actually also put this in the rear facing position. So when you get this, it's actually going to be in this rear facing position. This is a prototype. There's only 2 of these in existence, basically. There it is. You're in your rear facing position. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your infant car seat. And you're going to use that for a while. Now you can use this from birth, but you're going to use an infant car seat. Like 85% of people use infant car seats. Great. So this is rear facing. And then what you're going to do is when you actually want to put your child in the car, this is really cool. All you do is you can actually have the baby facing you. So think about it. Especially if you're installing the car seat in the middle of the back, you're gonna like put your baby in and turn it around. It's so inconvenient. You can put the baby in, make sure they're in, and there's the sensor safe. Remember, the sensor safe is that amazing technology that Cybex puts in their car seats to make sure that you don't forget your baby in the car. We always hear those stories. They're terrible stories. So sensor safe on this as well. So it goes rear facing. And it also goes forward facing. But the cool thing is you only have to install this once. So you just remove this little piece here, and there is that tensioning plate, very similar to an Aton M and other different types of Cybex car seats. Again, this is a prototype, so I'm not going to demonstrate it for you right now. You should subscribe to Magic Bean's videos, and we'll have a future demonstration of the full product. But basically, it's super easy to install, but you install it only once. You don't have to turn it around, reinstall it. There are so many installation problems because you have to install it with forward facing, then rear facing. Install it once and done. You put that thing back on, and here you go. You just squeeze, super easy to squeeze, and you turn, and then you are back in the forward facing position. You can also recline it in the forward facing position, just like that. Super easy to do, even with a prototype. Of course, they have their LSP system, their linear side impact protection that Cybex is known for on all of their car seats. So it really reduces the forces on side impact protection, which is awesome. And there's a load leg. There are no load legs on convertible car seats as far as I know right now for convertible car seats. And so again, when you have your forces going forward, this is going to slow down the forces. It's another connection point in your car. There's so many things to be excited about. There's a non-rethread harness. It is pretty cool. This is going to be available at mbeans.com and Magic Bean stores. And if you want to learn more about Cybex car seats and other convertible car seats, you can just click a link below and above. Thanks for watching.